Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a bridal makeup tutorial. This is going to be an easy, detailed and beginner friendly makeup tutorial, so it's easy for you to follow. I'm going to start up with a skin prep, cleansing the face right now with a Garnier Micellar Cleansing water, just to give a very nice, clean, fresh, even look to the skin. So I'm proceeding to kind of shape the brow. I'm starting up with a gel lash glue and I'm just using that with a spoolie to kind of put the brow in place. And now I'm using my Rema brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown and I'm using that to outline the brow and fill in the spouse areas. I've got a detailed brow tutorial. I'm going to put a link down below. I'm proceeding to use an eyeshadow base. This is the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I'm blending this with this is the Real Techniques brush. So I'm going in with a brown color there in the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm putting this all over the crease area and mostly on top of the mobile lid. I'm using the Morphe brush as well. This is the Morphe blending brush. Came in a set, so I don't really have the name for this brush. I'm putting that all over the crease area, mobile lid, and I'm kind of blending that into the crease. I'm then going to go in with the orangey color there in the same palette, and then I'm going to kind of blend out the crease. So I went in with another brush just to further blend the crease, and then I'm using the Meron's Precious Gem Powder in the shade Champagne, just on the lid like so, and then I'm going to further blend. Going back into the Morphe palette to use the dark brown shade over there, just to further blend the outer V, just to smoke it out a tiny bit. Then I'm just going to blend just till it's seamless and it just transitions nicely into the crease. I'm going to be using the Embroyolise cream as a moisturizer as well as a primer 2-in-1. This gives a nice look to the skin as a base before the foundation. It's highly concentrated, super pigmented, and it just literally melts into the skin. I'm going to use this all over the face. I'm going to go into foundation. I'm going to be using a cocktail of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Shy and the L'Oreal True Match foundation in 8C. I'm going to use this with a brush first, and then I'm going to blend with a sponge. This is my damp sponge. This is a Real Techniques sponge. So I'm just going to blend. After the foundation, I'm going to proceed to use a concealer. I'm going to be highlighting with the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer, and this is in the shade Amande. I'm going to put it under the eyes, nose, cuticle area, forehead, and the chin, and blend that out. For contour, I went in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation in N9 mixed with the foundation shade just for a soft contour. Contour the nose and all the high points of the cheek and a tiny bit on the forehead as well. Now I'm using my P. Louise base in OTT Orange as a blusher. And I'm just blending this in with my damp beauty blender. This is the same one I used for the foundation. I'm just using it to blend in the blusher. I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix powder in Nc45, and I'm using this under the eyes just to make sure under the eyes is set in place. I'm just blending it first with my damp beauty blender, and then I'm using a brush to kind of apply the powder just to make sure under the eyes is set. It's really key that you blend first so all the crease are out before you set it, just like I'm doing. I'm just making sure I take out any crease visible, then I'm going in with the powder. Now I'm going in with a liquid highlighter. This is the ABH Anastasia Beverly Haze Liquid Highlighter in bronze. Doing this on the high points of the cheekbones, the nose, center of the nose, cupid bow area, the chin, and a bit on the forehead. I'm blending this up with my Real Technique sponge and just making sure it's well blended. I think my blusher seemed to have disappeared, so I've gone in back with another dose of blusher. So I'm using the same blusher I used earlier, and I'm blending that in because I really like I want the blusher to really pop for this look. So back in with the blusher, and now I'm blending it out with the foundation sponge. I'm also setting the blusher with the pink and orange shade from the Juvia Zulu palette just to make sure the blusher is set and not just liquid blusher. And I'm going back in with a highlighter. This is the ABH highlighter in the shade bronze. ABH liquid highlighter. I'm just putting in the highlighter and I'm further blending it out. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Do click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified for when I upload. Okay, so the next step now is to bronze up the face, and I'm using the Juvia's Place bronzer, not really a bronzer, but in the Zulu palette, the brown shade there. I'm using that to kind of bronze up, going back in with the blusher, the pink and the orange one as well, and putting that on the cheekbones. Now I'm using the powder. This is my MAC Skin Finish powder in the shade Dark Pepper. I'm using that on the areas where I've not set. Smile lines area, the sides of the face, just to make sure it's set and nicely set in place. Right now I'm just applying a very light lash. This is a natural lash I got from Amazon, just a very soft look. And now I'm spraying the face with the badesco facial spray. This is just to take out the powdery look and just to give it a very nice dewy look. And I'm just blending this out with the damp beauty blender, just to tie the look together. And next, I'm going to be using my MAC highlighter. This is in the shade Oh Darling. Using this in the cuticle area and center of the nose, just there, and inner tear dot and on the brow arch as well. I'm going to highlight that part of it just to give it a nice look, and I'm going to blend that as well. Now I'm proceeding to use a lip liner. This is the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I'm also going to be using MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I'm going to use that in the lip, on the lips. And yeah, I'm going under the eyes. I'm using the mascara. This is the ABH mascara in black. I also use a liner, black liner under the eyes. And now I'm using the MAC Clear Glass lip gloss to kind of gloss the lips. And voila! This is the finished look, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to click the notification bell so you're notified for when I upload. Like I said, the hair was done by Olgay Pearl. I'll put her Instagram handle in the link down below in the description bar. All product used will be in the description bar below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.